Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing with insights from one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. We'll explore some of his valuable tips for beginners in the investment world. Buffett is not just a successful investor, he's also a wise teacher. Let's get started. Tip 1. Invest in what you know. One of Buffett's most important pieces of advice is, invest in what you know. This means it's best to start by investing in companies and sectors that you understand well. If you love technology, study tech companies. If you're interested in food, look into food companies. When you know the details of a business, you'll have a better ability to make informed investment decisions. Remember, knowledge breeds confidence. Tip 2. Understand intrinsic value. The second tip is, understand intrinsic value. Buffett encourages careful analysis of companies to find those that are trading below their true value. You can use metrics like return on equity and price-to-earnings ratios. When you discover a solid investment opportunity, you position yourself for potential profits. As Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Tip 3. Buy and hold. Now, let's talk about the third tip. Buy and hold. Buffett believes in the importance of long-term investing. Instead of worrying about daily market fluctuations, focus on quality companies and hold their stocks for as long as possible. Many investors panic and sell during downturns, but success comes from staying steady and patient. Stocks can be a fantastic long-term investment if the underlying companies are strong. Tip 4. Be patient. The fourth point is, be patient. Success in investing takes time. It may take years to see real returns. Don't rush your decisions due to market pressure. Remember, tough times will come and go, but a smart investor remains patient and focused on their goals. Tip 5. Control your emotions. Another crucial piece of advice is, control your emotions. Don't let fear or greed influence your decisions. Make investment choices based on logic and research, not emotions. Sometimes, market pressures can push us to make rash decisions, so it's important to remember the value of rational thinking. Tip 6. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the better investor you'll become. Read books, take courses, and stay updated on market trends. Education is the best investment you can make. It equips you with the tools to make better decisions.